Looking back to my preliminary task, I feel that I have progressed a lot since then, as I have developed skills in the programs such as Photoshop and InDesign, which means I can use it independently in the future. During the process I have learnt the importance of researching real magazine text before you start designing your own media text, as you will get a real feel for what magazines actually look like. Without my prototypes I used, my magazine would not have been as realistic, because I have learned about how to follow the codes and conventions to create a product, but also how to manipulate them to create a preferred reading. Stuart Hall, 1980. In the prelim task I used a house style of blue, yellow and red, which are primary colours and catch the reader's eye, but there is a disadvantage to using these colours, as they did not blend well together, so this would not look like a professional magazine, and using that house style has decreased the chances of my prelim college magazine targeting a local audience. The difference between my prelim and my media text is that I've used more editing techniques in the real media text, as my skills have developed since making the prelim. The prelim doesn't look near enough as good as next to it, as I haven't used as many codes and conventions of real magazines as I have in my real media text, such as I have used slugs and competitions in my real magazine, but not in my prelim. Also, I have used banners in my real magazine, but not in my prelim task. If I did the magazine all over again, I would probably have used a different genre, as I went with indie pop, as it was the genre I was most comfortable with and I knew most about. I would probably go for the rock genre, as it would be more of a challenge. Also, I would consider more angles when shooting the images, and also shot types which draw in the reader. I would also have maybe managed my time better by using more study periods, as this would have helped me develop my ideas further and create more realism to the magazine, as it would have enabled me to use and experiment more with tools and applications when using Adobe Design and Photoshop. I used my production schedules to manage my time on my blog as well as to help me.